Hi, I'm Emma from Datel. In today's interview with an expert, I'm here with Tim Purcell and we're talking about Fusion and business technology. Tim, you're the creator of Fusion. Tell us a bit about it.
Well, first of all, thank you for the grand title of creator. But Fusion isn't a single product, it's a range of products, and those products integrate with Sage 200, 1000, X3 and Intact. And what the Fusion product range does is it adds value into the core Sage product. So that might be in the case of Fusion Excel Connect, that might be a case of allowing users to enter and manipulate data in Excel, and then post that with a click of a button into Sage.
So Datel add-on products for Sage solutions.
Yes.
And you mentioned Excel Connect there. It's connecting Excel and the Sage solution. Are all of the Fusion range connected or integrated products?
Most of them do. So most of them do have some form of integration with an external system. So in the case of, say, our Credit Connect product, we take credit data from the cloud, we extract that and bring it into the Sage product. And then likewise, we can also push data back out to other systems. So in the case of Carrier Connect, we take shipments and dispatches from Sage, and we push those into the carrier systems in the cloud. So yeah, most of them do have some form of integration.
So what benefits are we seeing our customers have from using the Fusion range?
So a number of different benefits, actually. One is simplification. So they might have maybe a complicated, time-consuming task where users are having to maybe key in data into their system. They could make mistakes. It could take quite a period of time to do that. So where the products do add value in that case is it simplifies that process and imports data or processes data much more quickly than a manual process would do. But also it integrates different systems as well. So as we talked before about integrating credit information or carry information in or out of Sage, then it can add extra value from different data sources into the core Sage product.
So often sort of creating efficiencies or time saving, that sort of thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, adding value, because each business is unique. So different businesses may require to hold different data at different points in their processes. So the various Fusion products also leverage different data, but also add different data sources into the standard Sage product.
Okay, and what's the team like that look after Fusion at Datel?
We've got a fantastic team, actually. The team are really important in terms of the development of the product. So we have a team of 12 that are involved in both the development and the testing and the distribution of the product.
And where does research and development come into that? How is future tech sort of influencing what you're doing?
That's an important role for us as a business so that we can understand that technology and guide the customer in terms of how that applies to their business systems in a digital world. But also by engaging and understanding what the customer's requirements are, we can look at how different environments and different systems and different technology might be shaping their growth and their evolution of their business systems as well. So really taking feed from a couple of different places, both the customer and also the technology trends in general.
Being that bridge between what's in the technology world and what our customers care about.
Yeah, because I think we as a business can add a lot of value to our customers to take some of that technology, which, as we all know, is sometimes it's quite difficult to work out how these technology changes are going to affect how we use business systems. So I think it's important for us as a business to translate that, to keep the customers up to date so that they understand what the technology means for them, how the technology can be applied to them, and how our software could be integrated with that.
So talking of tech trends, anything we need to look out for?
I think cloud technology is still increasingly relevant. I think as we talked before about how business systems and customers are evolving in that digital age, I think how we leverage data from different cloud services, how applications are deployed in different environments, including cloud environments, I think is becoming increasingly important. So again, for us to understand that technology and how that applies to customers and how we shape and develop our product is really important for that.
So it comes back to connectivity and integration of systems then?
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing that the finance system now is at the heart of most people's implementations. And the integration between that and different systems, whether they're cloud systems, whether they're hosted on-premise, that integration piece is now becoming really important. So feeding that information either into the finance system or taking that information out of a finance system and feeding that into different systems.
Thanks, Tim. That's a great introduction to Fusion. If you've got any questions for Tim and the team, then please drop us a comment or visit our website using the link in the description below. See you next time.